Leave the rest to me, kiddo. I'm winning this. I like it. Seems pretty strong. Counting on you. Over there. Out of the way.
Not done yet! Good start! Let's do it!
Taking you down. Perhaps it's time that all of you know the true reason behind Jiren's death. Jiren's parents were slaughtered by a powerful, but he was spared by a man who would go on to become his master. From that day on, Jiren devoted his whole life, determined to forge the father of the great. Instead, he made friends. Used to move and he followed his master's way. Then, the same villain returned. New brothers in arms stood against him. The boy was sure this time to win. And Jiren watched as his friends were slain one by one. Even Jiren's master lost his life in mercy. Jiren tried to recruit and fight, but none of the other remaining students were. The people in his land were forced to submit to the cruel conqueror. To let all Jiren saw grief. Those he trusted walked away and betrayed their principles.
We did it!
Everything's fine.